Welcome to Seven Shores, a new East Naples community coming in late fall 2023, offering 409 total homes ranging in size from 1,528 to over 4,258 square feet. Seven Shores base pricing will start in the mid-500s. Resort-style amenities are planned for Seven Shores. Amenities will include a large clubhouse with social room and lounge, a separate state-of-the-art fitness center building with group fitness area, a large resort-style swimming pool and spa, a yoga lawn with added green space and fire pit locations, a half basketball court, and tennis and pickleball courts. Seven Shores will include villa and single-family homes within 4 collections. Home offers will include 18 new home designs. Please contact Southwest Coast Realty in Naples, Florida for more information on Seven Shores. Call 239-229-9926. Thanks for watching.